ご機嫌麗しくリムル陛下。私でしたら陛下のために
その必要はない。入れ。
これは本物なのですか？ほう、偽物だと言いたいのか。
Notice, spirit energy increasing. Another attack is coming.
Just die already, you filthy monster! Trinity! Disintegration!
Ah, shit! There's no way Beelzebub can handle this one!
Not a problem. Would you like to activate the ultimate skill, Uriel's Absolute Guard?
Do it.
Lord this should be nothing but dust! This cannot be! It's impossible! I refuse to believe it! There isn't a living being in this world that can withstand a direct hit from disintegration!
That all? I thought you guys would be better than this.
Yuki.
Well, I mean, it's not a lie, but whatever. Enough of the idle chit-chat. Once Masayuki defeats you, peace can be restored to this land.
What in the world are you guys doing here? Oh, Yuki!
Fancy seeing you here, Guildmaster Yuki. Seems the head of the Free Union himself has come to witness Masayuki beat the Demon Lord.
Now, Jinrai. Just relax. I can assure you that Rimuru really does want to coexist with humans. The fact that you guys are still alive should be all the proof you need.
君デリカシーなんて人から言われなかった女の子からモテなかったんじゃないか。
魔王ルナシオ
ツタカゲが東の帝国の商人よ。確かに今思い出しても腹が立つ。